Hey coders, it's David. Welcome to the Google Apps Script course. Over the next couple days, weeks, or months, I'm going to be creating a playlist and compiling some of the videos on some of the most important things I believe to share on AppScript. So why am I doing this? Well, AppScript for me has been a tremendous resource at my own work. It's helped me out in a lot of different places. I have plenty of use cases for it. And when I was looking on YouTube to see if anybody else was sharing their knowledge of it, I didn't really find too many videos up. So this is just a way for me to give back a little bit and help encourage some other people who are looking into using AppScript or even just learning programming in general. And that's actually another reason why I'm building this, because if you are a beginner in programming and looking for some place to start, wondering where to start, I would highly recommend Google AppScript. It is a great introduction to programming, whether it's just learning how to code or learning how systems interact with each other, the benefits of coding. Plus, it's all within, it connects to Google products, so it's all very familiar. It's a great resource. Again, Google makes it incredibly easy and intuitive. So I just think Google AppScript is phenomenal, and I use it all the time. So what is it technically? Well, technically, according to AppScript homepage, it's an application development platform that makes it fast and easy to create business applications that integrate with G Suite. So what does that mean? Breaking it down a bit, it's a platform to develop applications, specifically business applications. It's fast and easy to do, and it integrates with G Suite products. It actually goes beyond G Suite products, but that's more of an advanced topic we'll discuss later in the course. So how can I help you? Well, I've identified 4 key ways it can provide service. So one, it helps automate. So there's a lot of tasks that you do, especially in business workflow, where you just are doing things with spreadsheets or emails or slides, documents, anything of that sort. It's just repetitive. You do it every single day. And really, it's just a manual process. It doesn't need to be manual. You can automate it. Number 2, you can interact with users. So AppScript also allows you to build and host web applications on the internet. And it's all within the AppScript environment, so it's incredibly easy to do. But again, we'll get into that later. Number 3, you can customize. So Google Sheets and AppScript are actually tightly connected. So you can compile macros, you can customize functions, and create your own unique UIs, user interfaces, that integrate into Google Sheets. It'll help customize your workflow specifically for what you need to get done. And number 4, it's easy. So again, there's nothing to install. You just write the code again. It's all executed on Google servers. And I think this is actually, I put it last, but it's definitely not least, because one of the biggest deterrents for people who want to learn to program is that they just don't know where to start, and typically there's a big hurdle just to get started programming with installing software or programs in traditional ways of learning to code. And with AppScript, it's not that. It's just, there's again nothing to install, so you just get right down to business. Anyways guys, I'm gonna end this video here, but I look forward to seeing you more in later videos, so let's get rolling.